children, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing fine. So let's have a look on new topic. New topic is major landforms of India. So are you people ready to know about this? Let's start. Let's get started. Write down the name of anyone. Okay, India is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. It has one of the oldest civilization with a rich cultural heritage. The population of India is over 1 billion. India is the most populous country in the world with a population of 1.4 billion. The land surface of our country is not the same everywhere. It is in different forms at different areas. Some areas have rocky land. Some parts of the land are covered with loose sand. Now we have physical divisions of India. There are high mountains in many parts of India. The ranges of the Himalayas form a huge arc from north to east, and most of its peaks are covered with snow throughout the year. Mount Everest, the highest peak of the world, is a part of Himalayan mountains and lies in Nepal. Some mountains ranges are also in the central and southern parts of India. These are not as high as the Himalayan mountains, and in North India towards the south of the Himalaya, the land has a flat surface. It is the plain region and widely known as the Northern Plains. Many rivers flow through this plain region all along the coast from Gujarat down to Kanyakumari and up to West Bengal. There is a narrow strip of plain land called coastal plains. The plain areas in India are very fertile for cultivation of crops. The important rivers flowing in this region are the Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, Kosi, Brahmaputra, Chambal, Sone, Mahanadi and Gandak. They fall into the Bay of Bengal. The southern part of the, our country has a big plateau. It is the Deccan Plateau. It has a gentle slope from west to east. A plateau is an area that is fairly high from the surrounding areas with steep sides. It is made up of old hard rocks. A number of rivers like the Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna and Kaveri flow through the plateau region. Narmada and Tapi fall into the Arabian Sea. The southern part of India is surrounded by water bodies on three sides. Such an area is called peninsula. The names of the water bodies are the Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east and Indian Ocean in the south. Two groups of islands are also a part of our country. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water bodies on all sides. The Lakshadweep and the Andaman and Nicobar are two islands of India. The Lakshadweep Islands lie in the Arabian Sea, whereas the Andaman and Nicobar Islands lies in the Bay of Bengal. Try to answer, bachcho. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. In the northwestern part of our country, the land is covered with loose sand and it is the Great Indian Desert. This whole area gets scanty rainfall. Very few plants and trees can grow here क्योंकि यहाँ पे वर्षा कम होती है. Some bushes can be seen here and there जिनको ज़्यादा पानी नहीं चाहिए होता. Like the surface of the land, the climate of India also varies from one place to another place. The northern mountains have a cold climate almost throughout the year. In the northern plains, the summers are hot and the winters are cold. The coastal areas have a moderate climate and it is neither hot nor cold. The rainfall occurs mostly during the summer season. All the places do not get the same amount of rainfall. Now we have knowledge booster. India shares 17.76% of the world's population. The geological structure comprises the Himalayas and their associate groups of mountains, the Indo-Gangetic Plain and the Peninsular Shield. Let's wrap up bachcho with some important points. The land surface of our country is not the same everywhere. There are mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts and islands. Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, is situated in the Himalayan mountains. A large number of rivers flow through the northern plains. The southern parts of India has a large plateau. The northwestern part of India has a desert. Checkpoints bachcho, it's your turn, just have a look on them. A part tick the correct answer, so correct option choose kariye or write the correct answer. And fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the help box. आपके लिए help की गई है, आपको words तो दिए गए हैं लेकिन आपको check करना है कि कहाँ किस sentence के साथ ये जाएंगे. Write T for true and F for false statement. तो आपको check करना है कौन सी statement आपको सही लगती है, उसके सामने T otherwise F. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स आपको आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन जो आपने चैप्टर से रिसीव की है उसके पेज पर देने हैं. हाउ डू द मेजर रिवर्स लाइक द गंगा, यमुना एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र कंट्रीब्यूट टू द कल्चर एंड रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिसेस इन द रीजन्स दे फ्लो थ्रू. सोर्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. रीड द गिवन पैराग्राफ एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. तो पैराग्राफ आप पढ़िए और जो क्वेश्चंस बनाए गए हैं उसके बेस पर उन्हें आंसर करिए. वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. लाइफ स्किल. The varied landscape of India exemplifies the importance of adaptability and resilience, teaching us to thrive in different environments and conditions. Project activity. On an outline map of India, mark the following. इनको आपको mark करना है अपने map में and mark the following water bodies on the outline map of India. Do this activity and have fun, बच्चों. Enjoy.